Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be using these little KYLIE Valentine's Day collection little mini palettes. And I'm going to try to do a pink look with these. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to take this lightest color, and it's called Sweet Thing in the Kiss Me palette, this one right here, and I'm going to put it above my crease. That's a lot more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. Now to darken it up, I'm going to take this color. It's called Baby in the Sweetheart palette. I'm going to use the same brush. Okay, now I'm going to take this purpley red in the Smooch palette. It's called In Love. And I'm also going to put this on my crease, but I'm going to do it like really deep in my crease. Now I'm going to take my cut crease stamp, and I am going to try to do a cut crease. I want to get some practice with this. That way I can actually get good with it. Just going to touch this up with this blending brush by Urban Decay. Okay, now I'm going to take the silver that's in the Sweetheart palette, and I'm going to put that on my cut crease. Okay, so I have the silver on, and now I'm going to go back in with the purple, and I'm going to try to touch up the above the cut crease. And I am also going to put this on the outer corner of my lid. Now for some mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, and this is the finished look. And remember that I used this guy to do my cut crease, but it actually works pretty good. I'm actually really impressed with this thing. I think that I still have to kind of figure out how to use it and master it. It will be really simple to use after I try it a few times and I figure out like the best way to angle it. So I'm really excited, and make sure, or you will see this in probably the next few videos, maybe all the time, regularly. Why can't I say that fast? Regularly. It's like a tongue twister for me. So you will see this often, probably. I really like this look. It looks like something that would be like for an everyday use. It's really simple and it's different, but it's not intense, I guess you would say. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Bye!